Hello, my dear readers. Welcome to React Quickly introductions and summaries of React Quickly chapters. My name is Azat Mardan. I am the founder and creator of Node University, as well as the author of this book. Chapter number 14, Working with Data Using Redux. Redux is one of the libraries which allows you to have the data store. Why to have a data store? Well, it's a good idea, especially for bigger projects. React follows the Flux methodology, which was developed by Facebook by the same team. The Flux library itself, it's not that popular. Redux tends to be more popular. In this chapter, it's like a big tutorial, like a big project. We're going to build a Netflix clone, and we will have reducers. The concept of reducers is what allows you to move from one state to another by applying certain actions. And by doing that, you can rewind whatever state you have. You can go back, and it's basically like stepping back to a previous state by reapplying those actions in the opposite direction. So this is good for debugging. It's called time traveling, and it allows you to find those bugs in a very complex architecture, in a complex application where you have a lot of state mutation. Okay, remember, state mutation, it could be very tricky to find a bug because the state could be changed from multiple components at once. And with the reducers and Redux, it becomes easier. So that's the main idea. And in the Netflix clone, we're gonna look how you can get started with Redux by creating this project from scratch, creating a few reducers, creating a few actions, and then we would look how to combine them all together in an application. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.